AdventureWorks has recently acquired an additional bicycle business. Your manager, Adi O'Quinn, tasked you with creating a Power BI query that merges the current sales data of AdventureWorks with the sales data from the newly acquired business. And he needs the query by the end of the day. But you do not panic. You know that Power BI can help you combine different tables and queries to consolidate information, create relationships, enrich data, enhance analysis, and simplify data management. In the next few minutes, you will learn why appending tables or queries may be required. At the end of this video, you will also be able to describe the operation of appending one table to another. By now, you know that there are two ways to combine data in Power BI: append and merge. When merging queries, you consolidate data from multiple tables into a single entity by leveraging a shared column between the tables. You will learn more about merging in the coming lessons. When you append queries or tables, you add rows from one or more tables to another query or table. In this video, you will focus on append. Before I demonstrate how the append operation is done, let me share a very important tip with you. Say your manager has asked you to list the AdventureWorks products that have fewer than 100 units sold for the current year. The products that have not been sold do not appear in the sales table, so you have to identify them by subtracting the sold products from all the products. As a result, you have two data sets to be merged: products with 100 or fewer sales and products that have never been sold. If you only list the products with sales data of less than 100, you won't include the products that haven't been sold at all. To overcome this problem, you have to merge the products with total sales below 100 and the ones that haven't been sold at all to present the complete picture. Back to the task Adio set you. Before you append the AdventureWorks sales.xlsx and the other sales.xlsx files, you have to format the data of both files to ensure they have an equal number of columns and that the columns have the same names and data types. If you don't have an equal number of columns or different column names, the extra columns will be added to the most right of the query by preserving their values in the originating query and setting null values for the matching new query. In this example, columns A and B are common columns in both data sets. Columns C and D are unique and added to the right of the merged list. Since the D column does not have any data in the first data set, the row values will be null after the merge. Similarly, in the second data set, null values will be added for the previously non-existent C column. This may be confusing, so try to have an equal number of columns with the same column titles. Let's explore how this is done. To format tables, select Other Sales Query in the Query pane at the left menu of the Power Query window. Rename the quantity column to Order QTY, Name to Product Name, and Total to Line Total by selecting the column names. Once you have completed the reformatting process, you can merge the queries. On the Power Query Editor ribbon, navigate to the Home ribbon tab and select the Append Queries drop-down menu. You can select Append Queries as New to create a new query or table from the appended output, or select Append Queries to merge the rows from an existing table into another. If you select Append Queries as New, you will create a new master table. This selection displays the Append window where you can select the tables you want to combine from the Available Tables section and add them to the Tables to Append section. When you select OK, a master table is created that contains the sales data of both AdventureWorks and the newly acquired company. In this video, you learned how to combine data by appending tables and queries. By appending different sales data, you can create a master sales table. This will help you to consolidate and enrich data from multiple tables and queries and simplify data management.